Yeah, same as Stali.
Dobba then. Wagwan King.
Yeah, man, Wagwan, yeah.
A long time we no link up, man.
Yeah, man, I did some there, you know.
You there, pan?
Otherwise, how are you?
Easy skanking, how the thing?
Everything nice, just a cool weather, you know. In a place where I'm born, it's a water and a summer there.
Maybe before you freestyle, Dobba,
yeah.
You could start by telling us there's a lot of people that who are worried about you. How do you respond to that? How do you respond to them when they say there is need for a call for help for Dobba? How do you respond to that?
What I want to know is what's the issue about them getting worried about me, you know? Some people get worried because them know want me if he get rich, you know. So if they see me on a bigger picture, they say, how could they get on a bigger picture? We have to, you get a sense. So all the people get worried to see me on a better picture. Me say, God bless you, and God will bless me one day. We can fast things, and I say, me can wake up and I say, I'm just big and I get money and I have plenty of things, so we can't wake up, you see. But still, give thanks for everything, and people appreciate me art. Because one thing I want to tell people is, yeah.
So Dobba, what inspires the look? The look, I see the
like what?
Pink, green, the look. The looks, I see the pink looks, green looks. What inspires the looks?
Pink represents truth, yeah. Yeah, spiritually clearly. So when I talk about pink are just the truth, you know. It's a color for real people. Then green is nature. So nowadays I have a new pattern I call is color blending. So color have to mix up. When color mix up so nice, it's so, you know, so perfect. Some people them just wear some different type of clothes and I say grey, pink, and you know, we can't joke on people nowadays because I'm a serious businessman, you see me. But still, the most important thing about people who have love around the art is they care and they know what's the meaning of art before art, you see me? So for me to start art, you cannot start art without a heart. You get the sense? So me, as a youth from Ruatown, I start the art with the heart. So from that, I'm just noticed that I cannot be an artist that wake up driving a Range Rover without, you know, driving myself with melody, you see me? That's the realest thing.
Dobba, myself looking at you and others who will be looking at you, some would say they should be worried about you. I am equally worried about you. Do you believe that? Do you believe that there is need for help?
But you know what? The most boring part about those people getting worried is they get worried, but they don't help the artist. So it's not fair. You understand? How could somebody get worried and he can't help the artist? It's selfish. It's rather than not to tag my name or tag my people and everything that I'm doing in my circle. Because it's bad mind. If you see someone hungry for food, just take a bag of food, then you give him. You don't say, last time I gave him food. It's not fair because that's not realness. So for people who have the real heart, you can't do things to make people see. You get the sense?
I like the point that you make. Someone will say last time I gave him food because I know a number of people have come out. To try and help you.
When you are somebody who is not like I'm up to the time, but I'm down to the earth, you see me? Because from my to be who I am today, I have to believe the earth is what there for me. Because I don't know bad like earth, you see me? So just want to say to all the people who pressure upon things. You have to pressure upon life before things, because from your pressure upon a gene and a care, what's the next thing you're gonna get? You ain't gonna get love, because a genie won't say, I love you, my friend. You get the sense? But somebody always say, yeah, what's up, man? Hey, I don't have a lot about, hey, if I have $1, then go drink. You understand? Appreciate.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the real.
I want to be positive right now, Dobba. When was the last time you did works with Oskid? I know you he's with Oskid production. Do you miss Oskid?
Oskid, I have to say, he's a big producer. World class. And we can't disrespect him out, and we just respect it from there on, just that. But the last time we did, it was last year. But right now, I'm trying to work with new producers. Then I have to put him on a picture, because he's the realest producer of all the times. You see? Yeah. You
don't miss working with him?
It's not like missing him, like him my girlfriend.
No.
Jetagyanda, Talante.